Hi guys! Let's unbox this Hohem iSteady X3 series gimbal. I bought this for only 3,129 pesos during their sale. Okay, so first impression, ang sleek ng box niya. Very premium yung dating niya. Inside the box, andito ang manual and warranty card. Meron din siyang kasamang pouch na pwede yung lagyan ng gimbal mismo. And of course, the charging cord. Now, let's see the Hohem iSteady X3 gimbal. Ang ganda niya in person. Matte finish, very premium feel, tapos foldable siya, so sobrang travel friendly. Kasya sa maliit na bag. May different mode siya, like POV mode, pan, follow, and even auto rotation for transitions. Ang gusto ko dito is yung 3-axis stabilization niya. So kahit naglalakad ka or medyo mabilis yung movement mo, smooth pa rin yung video. May built-in extension rod, so kung mahilig ka sa wide selfies or group shots, sobrang useful nito. So far, first impression ko sa Hohem iSteady X3 gimbal. Super sulit siya, especially for content creators na gusto ng stable and professional looking videos without bringing bulky equipment. If you're starting your content journey or upgrading your setup, then this is for you. Thank you guys for watching!